So, good morning, friends. On Sunday Talk, today we see the complete analysis of Dow Jones Futures, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Bank Nifty, along with two sure shot calls on the champion of the champions. So, friends, let us go ahead and see first, as far as this Dow Jones future is concerned, you can see here it was mildly up here. And let's hope so that it will continue. But I must bring to your notice, that Indo-China war is still on a critical stage. US-China, same way, very critical situation is there. And FII buying actually in the cash market reduced yesterday in at NSE. So as far as the clues are concerned, Dow Jones clues are favoring at present. Now let us see, friends, what has happened to the Reliance Industries, which has got 13% weightage in the Nifty, and here you can see here it has given a doji here. So it's a very fine situation, friends. Even if you buy it on Monday, that means on 12th of October, you can conveniently play it up to say 2,400, 2,350 or 400 before the results. I think it will cross 2,400 before the results come. And as far as the volume is concerned, there was a decline actually, as we have seen here. It is a doji, and here also MACD, actually the blue line is below. So nevertheless, if you get it at little less price, it is good, better, but you should always play it for a target of 2,400 plus. So this has got 13% weightage, and now we see HDFC Bank, friends. HDFC Bank, has 10% weightage in the bank Nifty, and you see what a big candle actually has taken place here. So this is actually firing all cylinder, and the results of HDFC Bank are due, I think, on 17. By the time it will cross 1400, if those of you who want to buy for 17th results on 17th October, you can definitely buy this for target of 1400. Let's see now. The Bank Nifty also has given a huge candle here, so there is no worry. You see all the three, Nifty is being actually supported by Reliance. Nifty is supported, first of all, Nifty is supported by Dow Jones, Reliance, HDFC Bank, and Bank Nifty also. And you can see, what is the distance between the two. There is a great distance. I think it can conveniently add up, say, another about, say, this Bank Nifty should, if nothing happens in the international market, it should touch 24,600 approximately. Then Nifty, when we see Nifty, yes, Nifty is placed very beautifully here also. This Nifty you can add conveniently 200 points, so Nifty range will come between 12,100 and 12,200. So this is actually the range which is coming for Nifty. So on Monday, I think if there is no real bad news, we should end up, in a very good way on 12th of October, that is on Monday. And now, friends, the champion of the champion stocks, this time I have selected Gillette. Now Gillette, friends, is a company, which is in the personal care products, and it is doing exceedingly well, for last couple of quarters. You can see here the results are not yet declared of this. Let me just bring it to the candlestick charts, and it is still falling. So friends, as the strategy is that you see, if we see here the MACD, the blue line is still down. So the moment this blue lines comes above the red line, or there is a crossover, in other words, you can very conveniently play it for a target of let's say 5,700 very conveniently, because this is a stock which has been consistently rising over a period of time. You can really see here. Check here. Let me just put it for you. And this is this is rising for quite some time, and I am very sure next time, when the results are announced, Gillette actually will go up. Very promising, the share. Another share which I have chosen today is the Balaji Amines. Balaji Amines results are going to be declared, on 30th, and from say 9, here it is 992.90, all-time high was 994. Now this has fallen by about say 150 rupees, so another about say 15-20% is in the place. Now if we really see that what has happened to the rest of the indicators here, so let's just check it out. See friends, the results are basically on the 30th. Fine. So the moment it is about to come, maybe tomorrow or day after, this cross will be formed. You can then buy this Balaji Amines and play it for a target of say about 20% approximately, and that target will be say around 1000 rupees. And this is actually what I say here. And you see, for quite some time, this is actually, it is not actually what I say is around this price. It is actually see, it has formed a triangle here. It has formed a triangle here, and it can break the triangle. Once it breaks the triangle above this, it has already come. This is going to give a very handsome reward in about next 20 days time. So friends, what else do you want? 15-20% in next 20 days is excellent. So in the nutshell, I will say that the Nifty target is 12,100 to 12,200. Gillette target is 5,600 to 5,700. Balaji target is 1,000 rupees. And these are almost sure short calls. I say that share market SMS is the share market sure money strategies, and these are two strategies that I give for the coming week. You can buy it anytime you like. Targets I have given you, and rest is friends up to you. To summarize, I will say everything is good. The Dow Jones futures is good. The Reliance, HDFC Bank, Nifty, every bank Nifty, everything is supporting Nifty. So in all fairness, the Nifty must end in a positive trend tomorrow. So friends, thank you very much. Enjoy your Sunday, but be alert, because you see, share market is nothing but it is the money making strategies. If you have the right strategies, you will make money. If you sit tight on the stock, maybe the stock is good, you will make money, but slowly. So trade in the share market with the good stocks. That is very essential. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.